Nice job, Teresa.
Take!
Take! Nice job.
Ooh.
Smile at the camera, okay? Good job.
Now where do you go?
Up. Up. Always go up.
My left foot up into that crack.
Nice job. Nice job. Always up. When in doubt, go up. See that little finger thing a little bit higher? She had her finger locked in that, just about right in there, yeah. And then you want to get your hands up into this crack. You know, this is the crux move. So, and that left foot, if you look down right inside your hip here is where you really want that left foot to be. And that will be, you see where you kind of bring it up in that little crack there?
Where you open the crack?
Look at about where your left knee is, I think, right now. See, there's a little crack there. Try to one big move and get your left foot up there. Nice job. Now, nice job. Now go up. Yeah. Nice job. Nice job. Grab this thing right in front of me. Yeah. Put your hand in there and turn it a little bit. Just push it back if you can. Turn it a little bit to the side, so it'll stick. Okay. And then see this piece right here?
Oh my gosh.
You're doing great.
Yeah.
And if you can get your feet in here.
Oh.
That's good though. There you go. Over here. Even farther. Yep. Nice job. Grab this guy over here. Nice. Way to move your hands. Very nice. Great job. That's the crux. You're good. So now, okay, now unclip where you're at. Just unclip the rope when you're comfortable. And just leave the cam there, okay? Don't clean that one. Okay, you're good. Just go up and around. Grab the top of it if you can. Nice job. Nice job.
Get a rest.